Good morning, everybody. My name is Charles. I'm an student here at University of Massachusetts Lowell. Today's project is actually about the working on power electronics, and I'm building a Type C chopper. As you know, a Type C chopper, basically what it does, it changes voltage over different frequencies. It's a step down Type C, which should take the input voltage and then puts it at lower voltage. So basically a couple of parts you need for this project will be two 5-5 timers. You need a MOSFET driver. You need an inductor and a high resistor. Inductor could be as large as it goes, and the resistor could actually be up to 250 ohms. And you need variable resistors, which one of them could be used as your pulse width modulation, and one could be used as a frequency modulation. You also do need two MOSFETs, the ones which are used, the N MOSFETs, and you need also two input supply, and I'm using my two inputs. I set up my project so that it could, the input is pretty close to 10 volts, and my output should actually be less than that. And as you could see, my voltage here on my meter is reading 5 volts. So pretty much this is how my schematic looks like. It's more over a regular Type C chopper. As you could see, those are my MOSFETs right there. These are timers. That's how you connect them. Take another quick look. That's how you connect the timers. And then this is my MOSFET driver, and then this is how my box would look like. So another this is pretty much my rough draft, and kind of like showing how I was able to put the MOSFETs in all in parallel. And then this is my circuit as well. Those are the MOSFETs we're looking at. And then those are two above are my timers, and then one is my MOSFET driver, and those are the switches. And again, the power connection comes it's a DC that's coming out, and the second part here would actually power the circuit. So I have my V in and I have my VCC. My V in is I put it to 10 volts again, and powering the circuit is that. And I connected my output to the scope right here, and as you could see, I'm having a square wave, which is actually a very good good pattern that you're reaching to that. How to test and see if this project really works is by adjusting one of the resistible resistors here. The couple of changes that will change onto the scope, as you could see as I'm changing that. What is that's actually doing right there, as you could see, it's changing the pulse of my wave. And if you take another look into my output here, my current, as I'm changing the variables, as you could see, the outcome is actually increasing. Now the same is true for my width or my frequency modulation here. So when I change my frequency, as you could see the wave, actually, as you could see the wave, it's actually changing on the frequency part of it, which is that. And that could also, if we change that as well, you could see how the voltage is actually dropping actually. So again, this is my project for my power electronics Type C chopper, one of the hardest choppers to build. So if you need some help, help yourself with this project. I know some students out there would be given a project like that, so I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel, so you can help yourself if you need, all right, folks, have a good night, and this is my dedication to my nephew Rodden. Bye bye.